Good day to you children. Today we are going to read and understand lesson 6 Money. First we are going to start with the warm up. This is a toy shop. Circle the toys you would like to have. So I would like to have a doll and teddy bear. Okay, what you would like to have? So what you would like to have? You have to circle that toy. In this lesson, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn about money, notes and coins and exchange of money. Children, you know money is so important for us. Without money, we can't buy anything. So, my way ahead, shopping with mom. Manjit is out for shopping with his mother. Read their conversation. How much for the juice? ₹20 only. See, Manjit and his mother, they went to a juice shop. Then mother said, how much for the juice? Then shopkeeper said, 20 rupees. Here you go, ₹20. Then mother gave 20 rupees to the shopkeeper. This is for ₹80 only. How much for this cake? Mother said. Then the shopkeeper said, 80 rupees. Every time mom buys something, she gives something to the shopkeeper. I wonder what it is. Now Manjit is wondering. What Manjit is wondering? Manjit is wondering every time mom buys something, she gives something to the shopkeeper. Can you guess? What did Manjit's mother give to the shopkeeper to buy things? So Manjit's mother gave the money. Now we are going to start with money. Money is used by everyone. Without money, we cannot buy anything. You can buy anything without money? No. Every country has its own money and each is called by a different name. Children, every country is having their own money, right? And they are having different names. In India, we call our money rupees. Okay, this is the sign of rupees. And paise. Paise is the plural form of paisa. Notes and coins are used as money. Notes, coins are used as money. The different notes and coins used in India are given below. Can you see this? This is a 10 rupees coin. This is a 5 rupee coin. This is a 2 rupee coin. This is a 1 rupee coin. This is a 50 paisa coin. Now I am going to show you the notes. Now see children, this is a 10 rupees note. Can you see? This is a 10 rupees note. See, it is written here rupees 10. This is the sign of rupees. Okay? This is the sign of rupees. This is a 10 rupees note. Can you see here? Next one is 100 rupees note. Okay? Can you see? It is written 100. 100. Okay? 100 rupees note. And this is the sign of rupees. And who is he? He is Mahatma Gandhi. He is the father of our nation. And you can see his picture on all the notes. Okay. This is a 50 rupees note. Can you see 50 rupees note? Yes. See, here also Gandhiji is there. Yes. This is a rupee sign. And 50 rupees is written on the note. 50. So 50 rupees note. Next is new 20 rupees note. Okay, now can you see the picture here of 20 rupees note? So, this one is the new 20 rupees note. See, rupee sign is there and 20 rupees is written on the note. Then this is the note of 500. So, it is written 500, that is 500, and rupee sign is there and Mahatma Gandhi ji is there. Okay. Now, who prints the notes for us? Reserve Bank of India. Then next is 200 rupees note. 200. 200 rupees note. This one is the new note of 200. Okay, children. Saving money is a good habit. And children, this one is the 5 rupees note. Okay. Now, saving money, you should always save money for your future, and it's a good habit. We can save our money in a money bank. You can save your money in the bank. You can save your money in the piggy bank. Okay. So, every day you can save money. Now, my practice time 1. Shreya goes to a toy shop with some money. Each item in the shop has a price tag. Now, whenever you are going out to buy something, okay, there is a price tag on it and price is written on that product. Now, match the item with the note that can be used to pay for it. Now, 50 rupees. Now, this comic book is for rupees 50. Now, where is 50 rupees note? Here it is. Then ketchup. Ketchup is for rupees 100. Then we are going to match it like this. Then chips. Okay, chips is for rupees 10. Then crayons. Crayons is for rupees 20. So, 20 rupees note is there. Now, counting money. We use simple addition when we have to count money of different values. 10 rupees plus 5 rupees, 15 rupees plus 2, 16, 17 plus 1, 18. Now, we are going to count this money. Calculate the value for the following: 10 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin, 2 rupees coin, 1 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin. Okay. So, 10 plus 5. 10 in your mind, 5 finger. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, 10 plus 5, 15. Plus 2. Take 2 finger, 15 in your mind, 16, 17. Okay. And 17 plus 1, 18. Plus 1, 19. To count the money for the same value, we can use skip counting. So, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. Now, 5 rupees. Okay. So, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 5, 25. Now, calculate the value for the following: 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 10, 40, 40 plus 10, 50. So, the total is 50. Okay. Now, my practice time 2. Count how much? 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. Now, 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10, 20. ये 10 है. So, now what will do? Again 10 is there. Take 10 in your mind and 10 finger. What comes after 10? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 plus 5, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Plus 2, 26, 27. See, 10 in your mind and 10 fingers, okay? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 plus 5, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 plus 5, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So now you can, similarly you can do D question. Now question 2. Circle the money you will use to pay for this item. Now this juice can is for rupees 23. So what we are going to use? We are going to use 20 rupees and 3 rupees. So 20, 21, 22, 23. So 2 and 1, 3 and 20. 20 plus 2, 21, 22 plus 1, 23. Now B, a crayon box is given, okay, 52 rupees. So 20 plus 20, 40 plus 10, 50 plus 2, 52. Now come to the next page. Okay. So similarly you can do C and D. Okay. Now children, Divya has to pay the shopkeeper rupees 84. Divya has to pay the shopkeeper rupees 84 for the items she bought. Help her pay the money using 2 notes and 3 coins. Write the value of the notes and coins in the boxes. So she has to pay 84. So 50 rupees note, then 20 rupees note. 60, 70, then 10 rupee coin, 80, then 2 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, okay. So 50 plus 20, 70, plus 10, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. Now, what we have learned in this lesson? We have learned about money, notes and coins and exchange of money. Now, money means it consists of notes and coins, okay. So children, money is very important for us and we have learned about different notes, about different values of notes, okay, and about the coins. So we have finished our lesson here children. I hope you have understood the lesson as well as the matter. Thank you children. See you soon.